Sometimes the most meaningful journeys begin with a simple yes. What started as curiosity soon turned into growth, learning, and purpose. Every experience shaped me. Being part of a community that believes in collaboration over competition reminded me that when women uplift women, real impact happens. Grateful to grow, learn, and lead with Women Innovator.
मैंने इस इंटर्नशिप से अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल डेवलप की, टीम वर्क डेवलप किया, मैंने अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड किया है, मैंने इससे थियोरेटिकल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ दोनों को मैनेज करना सीखा।
I am grateful for the opportunity to present my internship experience with Women Innovator. Over these months, I've worked on research, outreach, community building, and event coordination focused on women empowerment. I identified and engaged women leaders from Surat, managed structured data logbooks, drafted pitches, and built an active community.
My Women Innovator internship journey was grateful, where I learned many technical skills like editing and researching, and where I have to connect to many women. And I have worked on 100 Power Women, where I connect to powerful women. Those are entrepreneurs, social media handles, and many more.
So doing my internship with Women Innovator was a very enriching experience. It gave me exposure to professional work culture while working on real-time tasks. I learned how to manage time effectively, work in a team, communicate in more structured and professional manner.
I have interacted with a lot of people, and it helped me to understand the community and guide them as a community leader.
So my experience at Women Innovator was very awesome. Here I learned about how to communicate with each other and how to do networking, and also I learned more editing skills. Like we had worked on Canva, so I learned a lot of editing from there.
My internship here was a really good learning experience for me. It actually learned me how to work in a professional environment. I learned skills like how to communicate better and be responsible. I also learned how to handle tasks on my own. Overall, it was a very good learning experience for me and taught me things that I'll definitely use in the future.
My journey at Women Innovator has been a very insightful one. It is a space where learning felt purposeful. With the guidance of Ma'am Tripti Somani, how we researched women, engaged in community, and under the guidance of Ma'am Khushi, how she mentored us with the mentor-mentee session, engaging a lot in new work, and I enjoyed the most was seeing our work create impact.
It was a really great experience. I worked under the initiative 100 Power Women, where I learned how to talk to women, how to reach them, how to use online platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and also I learned really great skills such as Excel, Canva.
During this internship, I learned how to communicate professionally and confidently with people from different backgrounds. I tried to research and identify inspiring women from my city and approach them respectfully to collect their stories.
I really got hands-on experience with marketing, event management.
My journey with Women Innovator was truly empowering as I served as a city leader for Meso. Under the initiative of 100 Power Women, coordinating, outreaching, and working with closely the inspiring women leaders who helped me grow both professionally and personally.
I have not just gained knowledge, but I have gained confidence, sense of purpose, and a lot of things.
And I got to learn a lot of things that includes data connection and communication skills, because I've talked to so many women in last few months.
Me being from a political science student, it was a really different field for me to work on it.
During my internship, I was able to connect with top mentors and women entrepreneurs and helped me learn what true women empowerment is.
मेरी इंटर्नशिप वुमेन इनोवेटर के साथ एक बहुत ही लर्निंग और इंस्पायरिंग एक्सपीरियंस रही। यहाँ मैंने समझा कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के रियल मीनिंग क्या होता है और इनोवेशन और लीडरशिप के थ्रू सोसाइटी में पॉजिटिव चेंज लाया जा सकता है।
My experience was truly enriching and inspiring. I gained professional skills, improved my communication skills. I also attended many conferences and events during this period.
I developed skills like time management, responsibility, and professional communication. Working on real projects taught me how ideas are converted into action. This internship boosted my confidence, made me more self-reliant, and inspired me to think like an entrepreneur.
I worked on a project 100 Power Women where I collected their stories, their inspiring stories, and then created a magazine out of it.